Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to enable new contacts notifications in X. If you want to be notified whenever new contacts join X, this guide is for you. Stay connected and discover new connections with ease. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. As the app opens, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Look for and tap on Push Notifications. By selecting this option, you'll have control over the notifications that X sends to your device. Step 7. Finally, enable Contacts Joined X. This will activate the new contacts notifications, allowing you to be notified whenever new contacts join X. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled new contacts notifications in X, making it easier for you to stay connected and expand your network. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy discovering new connections with the new contacts notifications in X.